friends, I got the puzzle. I finished. So beautiful. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. There's a shine to it. I love this. I'm going to save this. It's all here. I'm going to work this again sometime. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it was so much fun. Okay, hold on. Friends, welcome. How y'all doing? You like my bracelet? It has my channel name on it. Jigsaw Puzzle Connection. It's super cute. I had a dear friend make this and some other bracelets. She sent me some, so thank you. I love it. It's super cute. All right, well, I don't know. I didn't look this up. I forgot to see if that's the name, but I sure loved it. Was fun. I did end up working it by the alphabet because I think this would be otherwise too hard, really and truly, with this much writing and stuff. It was fun. I'm going to save this and do it again for sure, for sure. Now I'm going to start this Sherlock's. Sure, LOX. I have not worked this brand before, I don't think. I'm pretty sure I have not. And I got this for $4.99 at the Howdy Bargain Center. There's only 2 Howdy Bargain Centers. There's one in LA and one in Orange County, and I'm not sure if that's Buena Park or not. It's at Knott and Lincoln, I want to say. Pretty sure that's where it is. Anyway, wow. Compared to 1,000 piece, this is only 500. Seems so little, but there's not much to it. But yeah, I'm taking a little break. I love the Americana, and this is going to be so much fun. Look at the carousel, the horses. Oh, they're having horse races, but the jockeys, there's like wheels behind the horses, and they sit. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. I don't. No. I was going to say something, but no, that's not right. Because that wouldn't have a horse attached, what I was thinking. But yeah, this is going to be fun. And it's interesting when you start working a puzzle like this, what you really do see. You really start seeing all the fun stuff. Okay, well. Oh, wow, this is 13 by 19. It's a lot smaller, too, so. Okay. Well, I got my bag over here. Yeah. So that store I went to, they had a lot of puzzles for the price. They had a ton. And you know what I'm going to do? Since I am the one saving this, I'm going to save, well, actually, you know what I should do? I'm wondering if I should, since I worked it by the alphabet, if I shouldn't just save that. Save the alphabet in little bags. Oh, fun. All right, well, I appreciate everybody that stops by and watches my video. I'll see you all real soon. Take care. Love it. Thanks. And thanks again, my friend. I love it.